Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.